In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Miro, the visual workspace designed for innovation. Miro is an incredibly powerful tool that helps you collaborate visually with your team, brainstorm ideas, and organize projects in a seamless and interactive manner. Whether you're new to Miro or just looking to hone your skills, this guide will help you get the most out of the platform. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Miro's website and sign into your account. If you haven't already created an account, the sign-up process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set up your profile, and you'll be ready to get started. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which acts as your gateway to all your boards and projects. Once you're at your dashboard, the next step is to click on one of your existing boards. Think of a board as a digital whiteboard where all your collaborative genius will come to life. If you don't have any boards yet, it's easy to create one right from the dashboard. Miro offers a variety of templates to suit different needs, such as flowcharts or brainstorming layouts, making it easy to start a new project. With your board open, look for a tool or plus icon at the edge of the screen. This is your portal to Miro's robust tool set. Clicking on it will reveal a panel of options, offering various tools you can employ to bring your board to life. These tools may include shapes, text boxes, and sticky notes, which can help visualizing your ideas effortlessly. Interaction with these tools is quite intuitive, so you'll find yourself becoming a pro in no time. Your next step involves working with charts, as they're an essential part of effective data presentation. You can browse through Miro's collection of chart tools by typing charts into the search bar or by exploring the options available in the tools menu. You'll find an array of chart types, each serving different data visualization needs. Once you select a chart type, simply drag it onto your board. Now comes customization. Click on your chart to resize it and make it fit perfectly on your board as you wish. Miro's dynamic resizing allows you to scale your charts up or down without losing clarity. To edit the content of your chart, simply double-click it. This will let you input your data, change labels, and tailor it to fit your project requirements. The flexibility Miro offers when it comes to editing charts ensures that your visual presentations are both informative and visually appealing. That's all for today's guide on using Miro. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel equipped to take full advantage of Miro's features in your next project. Whether it's for planning, strategizing, or simply getting your ideas out, Miro is there to support your creative process. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.